Jack up the rod 2 mm. So this piston also we will modify also, but we need to machine the valve bucket. So we have to put this thing on the block here, check the PVC and check the position of the valve. We're touching so that we can machine the valve bucket. Without the ring, we put this thing without the ring because you just check the PVC. Piston is higher 0.1. Alright, so we have to skim 0.1 or 12, make it flat to the block. Okay, we will put marking here so that we will know which side the bulb and the piston touching, so we can machine the bulb bucket. Sige.
May this nail, you remove which side on the piston, the valve.
Alright. Alright, we can see this area on the intake and this one on the exhaust. This thing, this one, and this one. And then, this thing that. Okay, so now we can machine the valve bucket. To machine the valve bucket of this piston because we're touching on the block on the valve. So now we're going to measure the angle of the valve. So this one 0, so around 12 degree. Okay. Right. So now we're going to put this our special tool. Alright, so this degree, this angle is same angle with the bulb here. So this angle of the bulb will be the same angle with this piston. Alright, now we put the couple. This is our cutter, special cutter to machine the bulb bucket. Customize our homemade make, not in production, not in the market, don't have in the market. So okay. Okay, this marking is the one we try to fit this one on the block, check with the PDC there and the marking on the bulb. So this is the portion here that fit the bulb. Alright. So the bulb diameter is 14 mm. Alright. Start tapping. one done. So we do the intake first. So one done. So 1, 4, and 5 is same. So 1, 4, and 5. Done there one. So we all do the intake first. So all this thing done. Machine by bucket. 2, 3, and 6 same. 1, 4, and 5 same. Position of the valve, the intake here, and the exhaust. So modification of this piston, Nissan L20, machining of valve bucket done. So we have to machine skim a bit this thing 0.1 because the day we check the TDC is higher by 0.1, so we have to skim a bit. All right. Dapat.